For more than 6 decades, MP Biomedicals has been a trusted partner in life sciences, diagnostics, and fine chemicals. With a global presence across 5 continents, we proudly serve scientists, clinicians, and biopharmaceutical companies worldwide. From small-scale research to large-scale manufacturing, we offer the flexibility to support you at every step, meeting your unique needs. To accelerate life sciences research and production, MP Biomedicals provides a comprehensive portfolio of reagents, instruments, consumables, and chemicals. We are pioneers in sample homogenization, with the renowned Fast Prep bead beating system, lysing matrices, and DNA, RNA, protein extraction kits, which ranges from manual spin column-based method to automated magnetic beads-based extraction with high-throughput instruments. For researchers seeking high-quality reagents and chemicals, MP Biomedicals delivers. Our offerings include chromatography-grade solvents, biological buffers, microbial and mammalian cell culture media and supplements, as well as animal disease model reagents and diets. Among them, our highly cited dextrin sulfate sodium, DSS, sets the gold standard for effective and reproducible colitis model induction. From sample preparation and molecular biology products to cell biology, immunology, and biochemical reagents, MP Biomedicals is your trusted one-stop solution. To advance disease diagnostics, we manufacture and supply a wide range of in vitro diagnostic products, including immunoblots, rapid tests, enzyme immunoassays, and complementary instruments. Some of our flagship products include HIV Blot 2.2, HTLV Blot 2.4, which is the world's first and only FDA-approved confirmatory test for HTLV. Researchers and industry leaders choose MP Biomedicals not only as a supplier, but as a proven partner, agile, certified, and committed to driving progress at every stage of discovery. MP Biomedicals, advancing discovery, empowering progress, and shaping the future of science.